Okay, good. Let's have a look at today's lesson. I wonder what could it be about? Would you like and I'd like. Welcome to our lesson on polite offers and requests in English. We'll explore expressions that help you communicate politely in everyday situations. Yes, guys, this is very important. Lately in the Western world, I have noticed that politeness has disappeared, really. Sometimes you still see it, but yes, not so much anymore. Where if you come to a place like Thailand, respectfulness and politeness takes you a very long way. I have seen by Thai immigration, boy oh boy, I can tell you, if you are not polite and show respect to those immigration officers there, you'll have a hard time, believe it. But anyhow, the lesson has been prepared by Alfred Hrobler. Okay, now that you know what the lesson is all about, let's get into it. Polite offers and requests. Offers, would you like, is used for offering something to someone politely. Requests, I'd like, is used for asking for something or expressing preferences. Everyday use, these phrases are essential in restaurants, shops, and social situations. Yes, anywhere where you're busy with something social, not just in shops and restaurants, but yes, anywhere else, like in the beginning I mentioned about that Thai immigration, for instance. Guys, honestly, go there for yourself and see. If you are not respectful, just go and sit down there and take note of people that are not being respectful or not even dressing respectful towards them, and see how helpful those immigration officers are to people like that. Okay, let's continue with it. Making polite offers, right? Making polite offers, correct? Let's look into it. The structure, would you like plus noun, would you like plus to plus the verb, right? That to will always be there. Right, guys, examples with nouns. Would you like some coffee? Would you like another pillow? An example with verbs. Would you like to join us for dinner? Would you like to see our menu? You can see that too is always over there, and if you're just using a noun, then it's quite easy as well. Depending on the situation, which one you will be using. Okay, now that we know how to make polite offers, let's look into making polite requests. Well, yes, as you can see over here, right, are those two. Wonder who's making the request. But anyhow, let's see. Structure, I'd like plus a noun, please. Guys, that word please there, it seems like so many people have forgotten how to use it. I'd like to plus verb, and of course, once again, please. Example with nouns, I'd like a glass of water, please. I'd like the chicken salad, please. Example with verbs, I'd like to make a reservation, please. I'd like to change my appointment, please. Guys, sorry to keep coming back to the Thai immigration. Honestly, if you are polite and respectful and showing some, how was I put it, a lot of respect towards those people, they will go out of their way to help you. Really, they will do whatever they can to help you. But if you are not, oh boy, don't expect much help. Really, that is a perfect example, because I have noticed in the West lately, oh boy, people are really very disrespectful and not so polite anymore. Okay, now let's look at responding politely. Responding to offers. Yes, please. No, thank you. That would be nice. I'd love to. Guys, I can't tell you how important this is, just to be nice and respond in a proper manner. Honestly, it'll take you a far way in life. Responding to requests? Certainly. Of course, right away. I'm sorry, that's not possible. Sometimes you can also add in please or whatever the case might be over here as well. Not always, but sometimes it will be appropriate to do it. Okay, coming to my favorite part of the lesson. Once again, guys, without failure, practice filling the blanks. Always. I mean, what's a lesson with no practice, eh? I mean, it won't make a lesson. You won't see if you've learned something or not. And this is a good way to see if you have learned something. So, guys, like always, pause the video, grab hold of your notebook, and you take your time and answer the questions over here, or the requests, or the responses. If you're not sure, you can always just rewind the video a little bit and watch the video again, and I'm quite sure that you'll be able to do it quite easily. And like always, here's the first one. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Righto, guys. You're on your own. Take your time and try and answer them as good as possible. Okay, I assume that you have paused the video and you have grabbed your notebook and you have done it all in your notebook, and now you are very anxious to see if you had them correct. Okay, so without any further ado, let's have a look at it. Righto. Check your answers. Great, guys, let's go for it. The first one was given to you, so let's go have a look at B. The response should be, yes, please, and I'd like to order a sandwich too. Look how nice and polite they are, huh? Just looking at please, I'd like to order a sandwich too. Right, and okay. A is going to have a look at the, would you like to sit by the window? That's quite nice to ask the person if they would like to sit by the window, maybe in a plane, in a train or wherever, or in a restaurant, maybe looking out at the traffic or whatever the case might be. That would be lovely. I'd like to see the menu now. Righto, guys, there it is, and I hope you completed the dialogue using would you like and I'd like in the correct form. If you had them correct, guys, well done. You have done very well then, right? And once again, like I always tell you, if you've done them well and you answer them all correctly, go out and buy yourself a nice favorite drink, coffee, whatever the case might be. And while you're sipping on your coffee, remember the person that made all this for you. Stick that person with a cup of coffee as well. Okay, let's continue with the last part, role play scenarios. Guys, if you're doing this in a classroom, role play is a fantastic way to practice what you have just learned. And if you're not in a classroom, maybe get a friend or somebody, your brother, your sister, whoever, your dad, your mom, whoever is you doing it with, or maybe a friend, like I said, and practice some role play. Righto, at a restaurant, practice offering menu items as a server. Make requests as a customer. At a shop, practice offering assistance as a clerk. Make requests as a shopper. At a friend's home, practice offering drinks or snacks. Make requests as a guest. You've got a lot of examples in the lesson, guys, where you can see exactly how to do all this over here. And I'll repeat again, role play is really a fun way that you can practice speaking English. For all of you in a classroom, it's so nice to do role play, guys. And even if you're not in a classroom, get a friend to come along with you, some friend that also wants to learn or practice their English. And yes, you could do it together and help each other. Okay, we are reaching the end of the lesson. And like always, key takeaways. What has made this lesson worth its while? And why is it important to be able to do this lesson, right? Making offers. Use would you like to offer politely. Righto. Next one. Making requests. Use I'd like to request or express preferences. Responding appropriately. Use polite responses to maintain conversation flow. That is in the lesson, guys. If you like, you can now see there where we to print over the responses. And really, guys, it's important to do it. Practice these expressions daily. They'll help you communicate politely in many situations. Yes, guys, it's important to be polite, friendly, polite, and respectful. And really, in the Western world, I've noticed it's busy disappearing. And really, guys, it's just nice to be polite. People, when you're polite and respectful towards somebody, they just feel better and they will go out of their way to help you.